Good morning viewers. Today we will solve merge case sorted list. Case sorted list means there is in more than two lists. Okay. In previous question we just solved the merge to sorted list, means there is only two lists. But in merge case sorted list there is in more than two lists. So you just have to. This is a hard question, but this can be called a medium question. Okay. You just have to check. Means this is very simple question. I will directly copy paste this code and use it in this. So let's first write the code. If first you have to check whether the list dot size, if there is no list in the list node vector, so you just have to return the null. Okay, otherwise you have to check while list dot size is greater than 1. You just have to make a list, means you just have to list node star a equals to array of 0. Array, I mean lists of 0. Okay, you just have to check it, and then you just have to erase the list, means this is the vector function that is used for erasing the values. So you just have to erase let's dot begin. Okay, means the first you have to erase, and then you have to create the, and you have to again create the same node which is b, which is our list node 0, and you just have to erase. Okay, there is a list, so this is the, and then you have to create the list node which is list node c, which store the merge of list node c, which store the merge of a and b list. Okay, a and b, and after that you just have to push that list in the vector. Okay, dot push back c. Okay, this is the solution, and after that you just have to return the array dot list dot 0. Okay, so this is the solution, and you just have to copy paste the merge code from the previous code. Okay, you just have to copy and then you have to paste it. Okay, we have done it, and do it like that. Let's run it, whether it is running properly or not. Okay, 36 lists. Yeah, this code is running properly. Let's submit it, whether it is running. You just have to copy paste the merged code from the previous code, so this run properly. Thank you for watching.